Alright, this is the debut run of my camera. We're filming in 1080 high definition 30p. We are outdoors. And as far as I can tell, this camera is pretty nice. High definition. This is my Honda Rancher 420 07 running ITP mud lights on front and back. Champion power winch. Got the O'Neill sticker up here. I got some O'Neill gloves, riding gloves for Christmas, and I had to rock the sticker. I also got some of these Quad Boss. Man, I can actually zoom in my videos now. Some of these Quad Boss hand warmers. You stick your hand up in here and you got everything in there, and it's rocking out in the snow. They feel really good. Not only do they protect you from the cold, but you get your hands in the briars there, and it'll take care of you. So that's another thing. Back of the quad's pretty muddy. We went mudding a couple days ago. They're rocking those ITP mud lights, like I said. They run pretty hard in the snow. Well, they're smooth riding, but they're just digging tires. But yeah, looking pretty good out here. It's a pretty day out. Neighbors making a racket. That's no surprise. Got my boots on and my Carhartt. Got the hot tub back there. All tore up for some reason. Well, being that it's my first high definition camcorder, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. There's the moon out already. It's about 6 o'clock or so out today, right now. But yeah, just thought I'd shoot up a quick video of the new camera and how well it works. And this is sort of a comparison vid. Watch if you watch this vid and then watch my other mud light video, you can definitely tell. Got the zoom here and the autofocus. Honda. Let me go over here and say hi to my goats. They're awfully chilly today. Hey guys. Yeah, they are fighting for food. Walter, is this a camera? Huh? Look how fat she is. Good grief. But that's it for this first running video of the Sony Webbie high definition camcorder.